Ashwagandha may calm local inflammation, offering the body a natural path to healing and relief. In Ayurveda, this powerful root has long been valued for its ability to soothe irritation and restore balance where the body feels unsettled. Modern research suggests that ashwagandha's bioactive compounds may help reduce inflammatory markers, easing discomfort and supporting tissue recovery. By quieting these localized responses, it encourages smoother movement, greater comfort, and overall resilience. More than temporary relief, ashwagandha nurtures the body's natural defenses, helping it adapt and repair with steadiness. Whether taken as a supplement, brewed as tea, or incorporated into daily wellness routines, its calming influence extends inward, reminding us that true health begins with harmony deep within.